Hey everyone, it's Jamie with AmeriFund, and today we are going to talk about HELOCs. What is a HELOC? HELOC stands for Home Equity Line of Credit, and it's a line of credit that is secured against your home. HELOCs function very much like a credit card. Just imagine having a very large credit card that is attached to your property. There are a few things that you should know about home equity lines. The first is that they are almost always adjustable based on a fixed margin which never changes, but added to the prime rate. The prime rate does fluctuate with the market. The second thing that you should know about HELOCs is that they have a lifetime cap, which means that your interest rate can only ever go up to a certain point and then it caps out. But unlike other adjustable rate mortgages, home equity lines usually don't have a limit as to how often or how much the rate can increase at any given time. This means that in the event that the market worsened significantly, it is possible that your equity line rate could shoot all the way up to your lifetime cap without any warning. Now, this may sound scary, but there's one other thing you should know about HELOCs. They're fantastic for anybody who doesn't need to use the entire balance all at once. So if you're looking to take advantage of the equity in your home while home values are at an all-time high, maybe to do some home improvements or some investments, and you don't need all of the cash now, a home equity line might be a great option for you. You only pay on the amount of the line that you've used. So, for example, if you have a $100,000 line of credit, but you've only used $25,000, you're only paying interest on that $25,000 balance. I hope this helps to answer your questions about equity lines. Thanks for watching and have a great day.